Meet Dulsa, the revolutionary sweetener transforming how you enjoy sweetness. Made from purely organic ingredients, Dulsa is more than just a sugar substitute. It's a functional powerhouse. Enriched with prebiotics and probiotics, Dulsa supports your well-being by aiding detoxification, enhancing mitochondrial health, and controlling glucose. Whether it's your morning coffee, delicious bakes, or a detox smoothie, Dulsa enhances flavors without the guilt of calories or artificial ingredients. Safe for keto, low carb, and those seeking diabetic-friendly products, Dulsa caters to all lifestyles, doubling as a supplement for digestive health and overall wellness.